Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You need dry, detangled hair to get texture powder working fast. Begin by sectioning into 3-4 zones so you apply evenly. This prevents clumping and waste. Sprinkle 1-2 small pinches at roots or mid-lengths depending on lift you want. Rub powder between fingertips briefly, then pat into the roots. This activates the powder and creates grip. Once done, use a light shake and a short tousle to distribute. This first move sets the foundation for lasting volume. Once you have base grip, build texture slowly by adding half pinches where needed. This prevents a stiff, powdery finish. Use your fingers to pinch and twist small sections. Fingers create separation while preserving the product's grit. Target the crown and part line for lift, then lightly work through ends for piecey definition. Make sure to move between sides to maintain balance. If you want matte hold, scrunch and let set for 1-2 minutes before final shaping. To finish, shape with fingers and a quick blast of cool air to lock texture. Hairspray can boost hold if required. If you notice clumping or too much residue, gently brush out excess with a wide tooth comb and reapply tiny amounts where needed. If hair feels greasy later, shampoo the scalp rather than rinsing with water alone because water won't remove powder oils. One key tip: when product builds up, clarify once every 7-10 days to prevent dulling and maintain true texture.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.